This is the Minox 3 to 15 by 50mm ZA5i scope. It's got a black coating that's not shiny, and on the left you can see there's a parallax adjustment. You can change that for your appropriate yardage. The rubber grip here on the side makes it handy to change the power. It's a little stiff, but it's comfortable. This is to control the red dot intensity. You can have it off or at different intensities. That's the focus. You can see the turret is labeled so you can make fine adjustments and remember exactly where you were. That goes for windage and elevation. Here you can see I'm turning the different parallax adjustment yardages. The objective lenses are coated with up to 21 layers. Now you can get a good look at the red dot when it's illuminated, and the center of the crosshairs there.